Dr. Yogesh Patil. I am a full-timer consultant in Advance Eye Hospital. I am a retina specialist. I have done my retina fellowship from one of the reputed centers in India called as Shankar Netralaya. Here I deal with all sorts of problems of the retina like diabetic retinopathy, the retinal detachments, all kinds of macular degeneration. Today almost every one of us is busy with the smartphones, laptops, computers and all that. So the most important rule to be followed, these kind of gadgets should be restricted to overall use of less than 6 hours in a day. There is one rule of 2020 where we allow person to work on a particular gadget for 20 minutes. Then he should take a break of at least 20 to 30 seconds where he should blink more frequently. Look at some kind of a distant object which prevents the eye straining and subsequent complications like eye allergies or the dry eye. This is the most important thing which can be followed by the new generation to prevent the eye related complications. So if people don't know what is refractive error is the kind of a problem in the eyes where you either have to use the minus power or the plus power to correct your vision. If somebody has been prescribed glasses to be used throughout the day and they have not been used, it induces lots of strain on the eyes, and this strain if went on persistently can lead to the dry eyes. In some cases it can lead to the lazy eye where a partial amount of vision can be lost also kind of. Particularly this rule applies very particularly to the children's where they has to properly use the glasses or they will end up with a problem called as an amblyopia, which is a partial eyesight loss. That is what is the importance of a proper usage of the glasses. My warm wishes to the Sight First, which is organized by the Lions Club. This is a very good initiative which will take care of the problems of the youth regarding to the glasses as well as their eye checkup. As I mentioned, the problems related to the gadget works. Second, it is going to do a good work on the cataract surgeries where the elderly people's eyesight will also be treated. So all my wishes with them.